guess what? My baby took me someplace and I didn't see any Teslas.
We love doing a wide variety of vehicles, car shows, and cruise-ins, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you don't miss anything. This original 1902 buckboard is a barn find painstakingly restored by Bob Burns and Randy Harris, who started it and made sure it runs before it was delivered to the museum in 2009. At that time, already over 100 years old. 2 Orient models were offered in 1903, the Orient Buckboard and the Orient Motor Car. The Orient Buckboard was powered by a single-cylinder air-cooled 4-horsepower engine. The price of this light car was $500. Its big brother, the 1903 Orient Motor Car, was equipped with an 8-horsepower single-cylinder engine and sold for $950, nearly twice as much. Around 2,500 Orients were built and improved between 1903 and 1907. In 1891, Charles Metz formed the Waltham Manufacturing Company to design and build Orient bicycles. Metz made about 100,000 bicycles and is credited with producing the first American motorcycle in 1898. The following year, the company announced production of an electric runabout automobile. However, the electric car never went into production. Charles Metz's association with the company ended in 1902. Engineer Leonard B Gaylor took over for him at WMC. That same year, Gaylor introduced a very light model, the Orient Buckboard. It seated 2 passengers and sold for around $500, making it the lowest priced automobile available. The vertically mounted air-cooled single-cylinder engine situated at the rear of the car produced 4 horsepower. The car had tiller steering, weighed 500 pounds, and had a 100-mile range. Though minimal springing and complete lack of any bodywork made this less than practical for a long journey, it was good for something else. Cheap, no fluff, open-air speed. Even faster than the Ford Model A, which cost almost twice as much money. In fact, it was said the first piece of automotive equipment owned by the famous race car driver Ralph De Palma was a 1903 Orient Buckboard. His buckboard is located in the Luray Auto Museum in Luray, Virginia. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. And watch our other videos to find out what this vehicle is. And find out what the next vehicle is. The museum staff has very good reason to be so protective of such very rare and valuable vehicles. Please do not attempt to bring tripods and other unauthorized filming equipment into the museum. We appreciate the museum staff giving us special permission to bring our camera equipment so near to such valuable and rare vehicles. What powers this vehicle? Who built this vehicle? What is this? What kind of motorcycle is that? Watching our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si usted lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si a usted le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toca de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor. to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre eso maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this.